So we're replacing these Ford Performance ones with some Steeda ones. I believe these are the fronts. These should be the rears. Nope, these are the fronts. There you go. Ooh, these things look sweet. Oh yeah. Well, I want to weigh them because I got these for weight reduction. $16.8 pounds. All right, this one with the wrapping, 40. I saved 2 pounds basically, which is what they claim. Oh shit. Oh shit, it worked. I'm gonna take this from you. Man, these still have hella pad left. These back ones. There's one here, and this is gonna be 19. Right here. These things are really hard to get off. And we should have one more. Yeah.
Your shit's way off. Wait.
You mean?
Let's keep going. Straight up.
What's way off?
Here's one of them. That's it.
What?
I threw it under the car. Okay.
Oh, you mean the brake pads?
Yep.
See, this is why we're replacing brake pads, because one side wore it out before the other. And don't ask me why. Whew.
This is the outer one. This one right here.
It was.
This is the one on the inside where the piston squeezes.
It was done for already then. There's already metal to metal contact. Okay.
Yep.
The whole entire time.
You haven't put it on yet?
No. Well, how am I gonna put the thing in?
Just barely grab the top, twist it, and it should go in.
The round part?
Yeah, the middle part, just barely grab it.
The middle or the outside?
No, the outside.
And if I twist it in, twist it, right?
Yeah, just twist it in.
You want to twist. Which way do you twist it?
To the right.
That's not good. Well, that's what's it.
Hmm?
Now we're done with the rears. They look pretty badass though. They look pretty cool.
That was mirrors, I really like that.
Oh, but these things are cool. Oh! I hit the rotor. You got the main pin.
Got it.
What?
Stab it from the back and then use the claws, grab it and pull it.
You know, we're being ghetto today.
Cost efficient, that's what it's called.
It actually works though. Instead I might scratch up rear paint. Yeah. Oh well. That's one. That's two.
Huh?
Inside and go in. Nope. Let me put this little bolt piece on.
You put your pin in already?
What pin?
The pins? The 2 pins?
No.
We gotta put those on first. What? Okay. All done.
Give you guys a cold start. Gotta put some gas first. My initial thoughts are they brake pretty good. I mean, they feel almost the same as my stock ones. Maybe a bit firmer on the pedal, but they feel just about the same. Yeah, around town, it's not much of a difference. Let's see once we get onto the highway. But this is our cold temperature, so it would just have to be warmed up a bit. Factor, I don't really tell a difference. I mean, unless you're like a professional on the track, I don't think you can tell the difference. What about stopping power though? If I had to brake all of a sudden, would I do it? Yeah? Pretty darn good? Turned on. Pretty, I mean, was it worth the cost of $1,600? That's on you. For me, it was worth it. Anything that makes this car lighter is good for me. For the person that just wants to get new rotors and brake pads, I would just say just stick with just normal ones. I think it's not really worth it for if you're not really wanting to get the most out of it. If you just want something that looks cool, just get regular ones. There's no need for two-piece. You know, they say the advantages of two-piece is that you get to replace just your rotors and not the outer ring and not the top hat. I really don't see that as an advantage. Cause just the big metal piece on the outside costs just as much as normal cast rotors, if not more expensive. I think they're like $400. And I can get both rotors for around the same price. For two rears or two fronts. I don't think it's worth it.